Welcome to Dalat, a peaceful city hidden among the green mountains of Vietnam. Here, the cool air, gentle wind, and beautiful landscapes create a special feeling that is different from anywhere else. Early in the morning, Dalat wakes up slowly under a soft layer of mist. The streets become quiet, the trees move gently in the wind, and nature begins a new day in a peaceful way. One of the special things about Dalat is its flowers. Flowers are everywhere, from small gardens to beautiful roads. Each flower brings its own color and tells a small story about this lovely city. Walking through a flower garden, we can feel the connection between people and nature. The simple beauty of a flower can remind us to slow down and enjoy the peaceful moments in life. The lakes of Dalat also create a quiet and romantic atmosphere. The reflection of the sky on the water, the sound of the wind, and the surrounding trees make every moment feel magical. The pine forests are another beautiful symbol of Dalat. The tall trees standing together through the years create a feeling of strength, peace, and harmony with nature. Dalat is not only a place to visit, it is a place to feel, to remember, and to find peaceful moments away from the busy world. Beyond the famous places, Dalat still has many quiet corners waiting to be discovered. Small roads, peaceful gardens, and simple views of daily life create a beauty that feels very natural. In Dalat, every season brings a different beauty. Sometimes it is the morning fog, covering the hills. Sometimes it is the bright colors of flowers. And sometimes it is the peaceful sound of rain falling on the streets. Nature teaches us that beauty does not always need to be perfect. A simple tree, a small flower, or a quiet moment can bring comfort to our hearts. Many visitors come to Dalat looking for beautiful pictures, but they often leave with something more valuable, a feeling of peace and unforgettable memories. As the day slowly ends, Dalat becomes quiet again. The lights begin to shine, the cold air returns, and the city keeps its peaceful charm. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with Dalat. Wherever you are, may you always find time to slow down, enjoy nature, and appreciate the simple beauty around you.